Ever pondered over the might of something as small as a hummingbird? Well, step into the world of miniature drones and meet the Black Hornet. A tiny marvel of technology that's redefining surveillance and reconnaissance. The Black Hornet drone, despite its minuscule size, packs quite a punch. It's a mere 16 centimeters long and weighs less than 33 grams, making it the world's smallest unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV. But don't let the size fool you. This drone is a powerful tool that's revolutionizing the way we perceive aerial surveillance. The Black Hornet operates using an autonomous system. It's equipped with a GPS that allows it to navigate its way around obstacles, follow predetermined routes, and even return to its home base without any human intervention. It's not just a drone, it's a smart drone. Now think of a camera that can capture thermal images. That's right, the Black Hornet is fitted with a thermal imaging camera that aids in detecting heat signatures. This is particularly useful during night operations or when visibility is low. But how does the Black Hornet manage to stay undetected? It's not just about being small and nimble. The drone operates silently and is virtually invisible to radar detection systems. That's some real stealth technology right there. The Black Hornet can fly at the speed of 20 kilometers per hour, has a range of 1.6 kilometers, and can stay airborne for up to 25 minutes. Despite its tiny size, it's incredibly robust, able to withstand wind speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. To summarize, the Black Hornet drone is a combination of cutting-edge technology, convenience, and stealth. It's a tiny autonomous drone equipped with a GPS and a thermal imaging camera. It's silent, virtually invisible to radar, and can withstand harsh weather conditions. It's not just a marvel of technology, it's a game changer in the field of surveillance and reconnaissance. The Black Hornet drone is proof that sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest difference. Because in the world of technology, size doesn't always matter. It's all about the power packed within. The Black Hornet drone, a tiny powerhouse redefining the future of surveillance.